I'm Tim Hooper. I'm the branch manager for Power Equipment in Springdale, Arkansas, and we are hosting demo days. We're at Legacy Ranch in Dry Creek. It is a 600-acre, absolutely beautiful piece of property that one of our customers have, and they were generous enough to let us use it. They do everything here from corporate meetings to bird hunting. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Komatsu has so much to offer, but not only in just the machines, but the entire scope of the workforce, from front office to flying drones for projects, to uploading that, to building your entire project, all the way to billing and doing hours and machines. It's all in one place. And so many people, they're not accustomed to a iron building machine manufacturer having that complete package. We thought it was worthwhile to put this on, to not only let some customers that are not as familiar with Power Equipment and also the Komatsu product, but even our existing customers to just see what all we can offer. Kind of a whole entirety approach where everything's integrated together and it works seamless from all aspects. Actually, our customer is putting a horse arena in here. So we flew the site with a drone, took all that information, uploaded it into our software, and then collaborated with the customer about where he wanted everything and slopes and this and that. Did it all in-house, and then sent all that information to the machines. So when the customers get on the machines, they can see exactly what's going on with the model, where they're at, and then all that is uploaded immediately to the Smart Construction, and we've got TVs set up where customers can see exactly, what they're doing. It's very interactive. Even if you're not running a machine, you're watching other people and seeing what's going on. So it's been a very good show for us. We're excited.
The goals we had for hosting this event in Northwest Arkansas was to not only introduce Power Equipment into the market, but also reintroduce Komatsu's intelligent machine control, and really introduce the customers in Northwest Arkansas to Komatsu's strategic vision for smart construction solutions, about how Komatsu is more than just a heavy equipment manufacturer and provider. They're also focused on solving the problems that our customers face off machines. Aside from the Komatsu intelligent dozers and excavators, we're also showcasing smart construction solutions such as Smart Construction Remote, where the customer has the ability to remote file transfer to any of their machines from the office instead of having to travel to the job site. And then we have Smart Construction Drone and Dashboard, so also gives them progress tracking to make sure that their sites are staying on track with their production goals. And then we have Smart Construction Field, which is the kind of time tracking app. And you have Smart Construction Office, where it's a job site scheduling software. And then we have Smart Construction Retrofit, which is the economical aftermarket solution for, say, a customer who's new to machine control and wanted to test out 3D Indicate, so knowing where the teeth of the bucket are at all times with respect to their design file. And all that's Komatsu's vision to integrate the job site and the office and help solve our customers' pain points that they experience every day that extend beyond the machines.
I was mainly interested in drone. I think it could benefit us in some of our takeoffs on the onset of a project, verifying existing elevations.
Yeah, the retrofit, we've got several other brands of Traco, and I think a retro on a couple of those would be ideal for Oki. We're kind of a typical construction company, and the technology, I think you got to embrace it. We've got several other pieces in there of time clock systems and all that stuff, and it really is making us more efficient. And this is a great one. So I love it.
Just coming out to see what the new technologies are that are available. You basically have to stay on top of that if you want to be competitive in the market. So we wanted to see what's new and what's upcoming. I expected to come out here and we were just going to dig some holes and try some equipment out. I knew they were going to be talking about the technology, but this was really a neat setup. Probably the first that I've been to like it.
One thing that separates us from a lot of other manufacturers and distributors is we do want to be your partner. Our philosophy is, if you don't succeed, we're not going to succeed. So us hosting this and to bring all these machines in, I think it gives them confidence that we're behind them. Yeah, we're going to try to do this again. It's been a very good event for us.